So here's MoneyGram app. It's one of the top money sending apps. So you can think about like Western Union or Brex or some other apps. It's like pretty simple, very popular in US. It has over 1 million reviews in the App Store. So yeah, you just need to create an account. Super easy to create an account. Then you need to upload ID to finish registration. So either US driver license, state ID, password, US residence permit, anything. And then you can just send money. So for example, I want to send $100 and like to England. And then I see all these different methods, which is pretty advanced in this app. So either you paying by debit or credit card, then there is zero fee, or online bank transfers, and there is $4.99 free cash at location. Then you see that or like debit card, and then debit card deposit. So yeah, you just select anything, and in the end you see the total cost calculated. You see the fees, additional referral discount. Don't look into it. This is just my referral discount for referring people to this app. Yeah, and then you just figure out it like this. So yeah, then you can just invite friends. So feel free to use this app. So RAFQ KQ4PFM, and then you can earn zero fee transfers when you invite friends to try MoneyGram. So that's what you've just seen. I invited probably one person, and I have zero fee transfers. Then you can track and receive. You can check your reference number, your last name of the transfer, and then you can just track it. You can find the location of nearest MoneyGram location near you, which you have plenty in the United States. Then you can just pay bills. You can just select company and make a payment. And that's basically it. So super simple app to use. Then there is support. There are some settings. Here you can just enable all of that. So yeah, that's basically an idea of the app. There are all this FAQ section, which you can easily find out and track here. So yeah, also follow for some additional information. You can go there. So that's just basically an overview. Hope it was helpful. A really cool app, and thank you for watching.